Okay, welcome back. We're still in AutoCAD tutorial session 2. My name's Jonathan. Let's get into rectangular array. So at first, we did some copy and we saw it was a little efficient. So I would make a circle. Let's go by this PDF 5.5901. And we use copy. We learned that we can use the base points to copy as well. So, excuse me, make sure my multiple is on. So you could also change the mode to multiple. And select your base point, click on array. If I want, let's say I want 9 of them this time. Type in 9. I can stretch it out. I can also make it fit as well, which is kind of cool. So let me go back. Let's make a line here. You can also do this. Click on the point, click array, type 9. Let's say I want to fit there. Oh no. Let's redo that really quick. So my base point should be on the line. Excuse me. Array. I want 9. I want to fit this line. There we go. We have 9. But the thing is, what if I wanted to increase this distance? If I move this, would it change? No. I would have to move this individually. And that can get pretty tedious. Mistakes can happen. I'd rather not deal with that actually. So we're going to learn something called rectangular array. And although I say rectangular array, the command is actually array rect. So I'm going to select the object, type in array rect, like that, and press enter. And then boom. It gives me a matrix actually. So there's columns, rows, and levels. So if I put into 3D view actually, if I put 2, it gives me another level actually. If I put in 20, gives me more in the positive Z direction. So you might use that component of rectangular array. I don't know. You can also drag these out to add more, I think it's really neat. So let's say we wanted to mimic this. Well, we could, I can say, well, the distances between, right, should be from there to there. So you can also, let's say can we know it? But what if it's 5.5901? Then it'll look just like that. And maybe there's 8 of them. So there's 8 columns vertically down. Let's say there's 1 row. Let's say that's what it is. But what if it's the case where I need 10? I can put in 10. Or what if the total distance that I need to fill up was 120? I can type that in and that'll change that as well. There's just so many things you can edit. Maybe in between I need it to be 15 instead. You can change that as well. It changes this number. It's just a really essential tool. Rectangular array is really awesome as well because let's say I don't want a circle anymore. I want to change that. You can change that. So what I'm going to do is I just make this a little larger. Click on the array. You notice they're all 1 unit though. You cannot edit an individual one because they're one thing. They're part of this thing called an array, so it makes it kind of like a special object basically. You can explode this, so we'll type explode. It'll make them individual ones, but now I lost the editability. Let's go back. So now it's an array. I can also edit the source. So I'm going to click on the array. It gives me this message. Disregard the message, say OK. I'm going to zoom in on the one that's not glowing. It's really key, not glowing. So maybe I want it, bigger that way. Well, they're all going to change. But what if I wanted something different? What if, let's say, I wanted to change it with, I don't know, polygon instead? Maybe it has like 9 sides. And maybe I want it inscribed in a circle. And maybe I want it to be like 10. But And I would go, okay, I'll save it, and that's my new array. There's also another interesting thing about this, about like or let's say at a P line of like that. I just press C to close. Click on the array. I want to replace an item. Click, click, enter. Select a base point. I don't know, maybe there. Source. There we go. Now they're all sort of just changed. It's really interesting. You can go back and I don't know. Maybe I want 20. Maybe. But what's really key is that you can edit this no matter what. Like maybe I want this to be 30 instead. It's just amazing. So that's the rectangular array. You're probably going to use this actually a lot. The reason why is because trusses have a lot of webbing actually. We're going to use this basically to make our truss system for the most part. You can see I can't zoom out, type regen, I can zoom out again. So we're going to go over the basic arrays. Rectangular array is I think the fundamental three-dimensional matrix array. So we'll get to the other ones in the next session.